Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're introducing our brand new Dolibarr module, Dolibarr Order2TakePOS. This module lets TakePOS users instantly convert Dolibarr sales orders into TakePOS sales. It's fast, simple, and perfect for saving time in your daily operations. Let's start by creating an order in Dolibarr. Go to Commerce, Sales Orders, New Order. Create your draft order. Add the order lines. Then validate the order. Now our order is ready. To convert this order into a TakePOS sale, in TakePOS, click on Orders. This shows all Dolibarr orders. Select the order you want, and that's it. The order is now a TakePOS sale. From here, you can modify it or process the payment just like any other TakePOS transaction. And that's the Dolibarr Order2TakePOS module, making the link between Dolibarr orders and TakePOS sales smooth and effortless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for more details and to try it out yourself.